Can we sign up VK account without phone number? In today's tutorial, we're going to figure out how to sign up for a VK account without using our phone number. It's easier than you might think, so let's get started. First things first, head over to the VK website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in vk.com. Once the website loads, you will see the sign up page. Here, simply tap on enter it manually. Here we can see two options to sign in, which is phone number and email, which let us know that we can sign in via our email address as well. So if you have already created an account, simply tap on email and you can simply enter your email address and log in via your email address. But if we need to sign up, let's figure out if we can sign up without our phone number and with our email address. Simply click on sign up button. Now, as we can see in the sign up page, we cannot create our VK account with email address. We need to enter our phone number first of all. But what we can do is, after we've created our account, we can add our email number or email address to the account so we can sign up with email address later. So that's it. That's what you need to know. We can sign in with our email address, but what we need to do is first sign up via our phone number and enter our email address as well. And that's it. That's how you can sign up for VK without a phone number.